What's up, dolls? Welcome back to my channel. Imani Marie here, of course, and today I got another hair review for you all. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then that bell next to it so you can get notified when I post all new videos. I'm real anxious about this hair review because I've never heard of this hair company ever. I've never even seen nobody wear this hair company, so I'm real anxious to try it out and see exactly how this hair gets down. The hair company that I will be reviewing today is a hair company called SoSilkHair, and I hope they live up to their name. Okay, so I cut it open and I just wanted to make sure, you know, all the pieces were here that she said she was sending me. So everything in the bag, they sent me this, of course, the hair. I believe this is the frontal, and one bundle, two bundles, and 3 bundles. They also sent me a pack of lashes. I usually don't wear the lashes that the company sends because it's just not my style, but these look like they could be my style. And then they also lastly sent me a weaving cap. So the lengths that they sent me are a 22, 24, and a 26, and this is their body wave hair. And the frontal that they sent me is their 13x4 frontal, natural color, 18 inch. I'm sorry, you all, I had to go get a jacket. I don't know if I'm hitting teenage, well, I'm not a teenager, so like young adult menopause or something, but I get so freaking hot, then I get cold, and I don't even feel like getting hot no more, so I'm just gonna keep the air on and I'm just gonna wear a jacket. But enough about me and my body temperature. Let's get into what this video was made for. This hair from SoSilk Hair Company. I think I'm gonna get into the frontal first, just because I want to take my time with the bundles and all of that. So it came in one of these little slips like they always do, and a hair net. This is their 18 inch body wave frontal, and as I'm pulling on it, I'm pulling pretty hard, so I'm getting like, it's like what, 2, 3 strands right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. This frontal does shed. I feel like all hair shed, like I say in all my videos, so that's not that bad. But when you're talking about just globs of hair coming out in your brush every time you brush your frontal, then that's a problem, because that means you're going to be running through frontals like that. The hair is really soft. I love the little S wave on it. It has a lot of body. It doesn't have a smell at all, like not a factory smell, not a good smell, not a bad smell. It really just doesn't have a smell at all, which is good. This is the ends of the hair. They're not split or anything, so yeah, that's really good. They don't feel all dry at the end and then all soft and silky at the front. This is how the lace looks. It's really thin, which is, I love thin lace. That's how the hairline looks. It looked like it came pre-plucked, but it could use a little bit more plucking. The knots are not bleached, but that's not a problem. I could bleach my own knots. I love bleaching my own knots. It's actually fun to me. So now let's get into the bundles. The first bundle that I'm gonna be looking at is the 22 inch. And it came in a little plastic slot as well. It got a little band over it that says 100% human hair. And because the net is up under the band, I'm just gonna wrap it around the band right now. And that is the hair. Really freaking cute. It's super soft and bouncy. I got one strand out the hair doing all of that to it. This is how full their 22 bundle is, which is that's a nice amount of hair on this bundle. It doesn't have a smell or nothing, so that's super good. Usually the bundles have a smell and the frontal don't, or vice versa, but so far the 22 and the frontal don't have no smell. Those are the ends. Nice healthy ends. I believe that I am going to color this hair. I don't know what color, but I'm definitely going to color this hair, just because I don't know. I want some colored hair bad. I've been craving colored hair. Like, I know I got blonde hair, but I want like color, like blue or red or pink or burgundy. I want some color. Next, we're gonna look at the 24 inch. So like the 22 inch, it came with that 100% human hair band. This is how full their 24 inch bundles are. It is 24, so if I put that on the nape of my neck, it goes like past my boob, which is good. And that's long for a 24. Yeah, that's pretty long for a 24. It has the pretty S-wave. It's super soft, y'all, like silk. It really is. And then it has its own little natural luster going on. It has body, all that good stuff. It doesn't have a smell. The ends aren't split, so that is an A1 bundle as well. Lastly, we're gonna look at this 26 inch that they sent me. Hopefully it's not like super small, because usually the longer the lengths, the smaller the bundles. So hopefully that's not the case. Take this net off of it. For some reason, these nets want to fight with me because they're not just coming off as easy as they could.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Y'all, I'm struggling. Okay. So that's the 26 inch, and it is super long. It really is. I feel like the S-wave on the 26 inch isn't as deep and defined as the other bundles. Maybe that's because this is a longer bundle, and they say the longer the hair, the heavier the hair, and the harder it is to hold a curl. So maybe that's why. Like, I don't feel like the S-wave is as strong as it was in the other bundles, but it's still some nice hair. It's soft, it has body, it has its own natural luster. The ends aren't dead or split or dry. And this is how much hair came on the 26 inch bundle. It's not a lot, but it's more than some companies. This is some nice hair. Like, it really is. I can't wait to try it. Okay, dolls, I really just wanted to come to you all really quickly and do an unboxing video on SoSilkHair before I do construct my wig and perhaps color it. Don't forget to spam that comment box below and let me know what color y'all think I should dye it before I have to choose on my own. Hope you all enjoyed this video. It was really short and to the point. Just, is this good hair? Is it not good hair? Usually 8 out of 10 when the company sends you hair, it's good hair until you wash it and you dye it and you blow dry it, until you use your preferred shampoos and stuff on it when you see if this is really good hair or not good hair. So I can't wait to really test this hair out and see how good it really is, and come back to you all and give you all a initial review, an installation of review, and a 2-week update. That's all gonna be in one video. I don't like doing all these little separate videos, so I like to cram at least those 3 things in one and come back and do like a 3-month update and all that good stuff. Just a couple of reminders. I have a lot of stuff going on in the month of November. I really don't want you all to miss out on what's going on in November, so I really really strongly suggest you all hit that subscribe button and you hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can know when I post videos from here on out, because in November I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways, a lot of raffles, and all of that, and it's gonna come with the complete package, bundles and a frontal, or bundles and a closure, maybe some wigs already made. You never know, and I really don't want you all missing out. I got big news that I will be coming and telling you all in the month of November. So yeah, I'm just like super excited for the month of November. Not only that, but it is my birthday month. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions, and if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm Imani Marie, and I'll see you dolls later.